So hi all, this video is about a demonstration of the project called Movie Recommendation System using a technique of AI semantic search. This program actually takes the user's input as a query and search for the relevant informations in the database, and it recommends the movie which is related to the query. At the initial stage of this project, this program uses a pre-trained model like sentence transformer to encode the data of the movies into a vectors so that the vectors can be stored locally or in the databases like Pinecone database, so that we can able to search for the vectors to recommend the movies in this project. Talking about the sentence transformer, this is how the sentence transformer works. Initially, the sentence is considered as a data. The data is passes through the sentence transformer, and it encodes into a vectors. This encoder actually does so many mathematical things to convert the information or data into the vectors, so that the vectors can be stored in the vector databases like Pinecone, or we can able to store it locally also. So the using the Pinecone database, we can able to store the vectors in the database, and we can able to access that at the lightning speed. So this is how the converted vectors are stored in a vector database. Talking about the algorithms, we are using a cosine similarity algorithm, and also known as ANN algorithm, approximate nearest neighbor algorithm. These two algorithms plays a major role in semantic search. Semantic search is nothing but a search which actually the program understands the user's query, and it searches for the relevant information in the database. It does not do the things like normal searching, like searching for the keyword stuffs like that. The program actually understands the user's query and search for the relevant information related to the query. So this program actually converts the user's query into a vector using a sentence transformer model, and those vectors can be used to search the relevant information in the database using a semantic search technique by the help of the algorithms called cosine similarity and approximate neighbors. Okay, let's just straightly dive into the demonstration of the program. We all know about the story of the Batman and the movie name called Batman. If you are working in a file system or in a file manager, if you search for any files, that program actually searches for the file using a keyword. But this program, it does not work like that. It understands the user's query. We can able to type about a description of the movie, and it recommends that these are the movie comes into the category. For example, if you type a man who fights in Gotham City at night, and we got the result. Batman, 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 Dark Knight Returns. Okay, let's just type movie related to science. Let's give this input and let's see what the program is actually giving. So see, it is not giving any information related to the keyword science. So the program actually understands what the user is giving, and it is giving the related information to the query. See, voyage of time, life's journeys, an exploration into the planetary past. So it is a science fiction movie. Everything is related to the science fiction movie, so we can able to clearly see what the program is actually doing. There are so many trained models available on the internet, like OpenAI's own training model. With the help of this model, we can able to get the information easily without implementations of this algorithm. We can able to do a semantic search, and we can able to create a movie documentation system with the help of the model. But I want to do in an old school traditional way, by implementations of the algorithms, and converting the informations into vectors. And I also used Pysimplegui Python package to create a front end of this application that interacts with my back end of my program. So this is how I done my project. Thank you so much.